Hey, West Coast Johnny, how's it going? I lost my little dog about a week ago, and I didn't want to do anything for days and days, but I decided to keep myself busy. So, what I took on, I'm doing an entire remodel on a house. I mean, just about everything. Let me show you. Starting here in the kitchen. So, we got some cabinets that were painted different colors, some broken cabinets, and then over here, we have some busted tile that needs to get fixed in the kitchen area. Another piece right there, and another piece right there. So, and then I have to fix some of the floor. These are hardwood floors in the entire house. And I'm going to go ahead and sand them all down and restain them and finish them myself. I've got to fix this piece someone put in there. I'll probably change it. But I never did a hardwood floor. And it's through the whole house. And then out here in the bathroom, I'm replacing the doors. Got to replace this faucet, and I have never seen anything like that. Doesn't look normal, like a normal drain. And then redoing all the escutcheons and the bathtub stuff. I just put all the trim in yesterday, and I have all the vents. I'm just gonna bring them to my house and clean them all up. And right here, there was a closet door, and it's missing. Not sure. I mean, we might just leave it, but I'm going to put more shelves in there. And I just got all the trim down here. I haven't caulked anything yet. So all this room got all new trim. And the doors, I'm replacing the doors on every single room. I'm just going to go get some and maybe stain them really pretty. Now, this shower door won't close. So I got to fix that. Can't really tell, but right here was a giant hole where the previous owner punched his hand right through the wall. So I patched that. I just got to match the texture. A little more damage that was done. So this is the master bedroom door jamb. It used to have a deadbolt in it, but it was all broken out and kicked. It was all kicked through, and I just put new pieces of wood in there. I didn't want to mess with replacing the jamb because I didn't want to mess with the plaster wall. These are plaster, and I don't want to start cutting whole jambs out. It just makes a big mess. So we're just going to make that really nice. I'm using actually a plastic body filler right there. And this door got kicked in good. You can actually see light. And I'm just kind of patching all this. I had to replace this one. This is all broke. So this room, I have to put some hardwood floor pieces in there. And then over here, see that? That's subterranean termite damage. And the reason it's right here for sure, someone had something sitting right here, and the termites were able to come up and work in between. Now, when I paint this house, I'm going to paint the entire inside. I'm going to paint all the walls in the house a color called Chantilly lace. However, someone painted this beam and the ceiling. They covered all the original wood up. And here's what it used to look like. See? So they didn't mess this one up. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint all that like a brown color. And then down here what they did, they took the original beam and they covered it with sheetrock with the curved corners. It's very 1990s. I hate it. I was going to rip it all out and just have the exposed beam, but it's just way too much work. And I got to get this house ready in about another month or so. There was a big piece missing I patched. I'm just letting it dry. And then we're going to do all the window coverings, all the screens, outlets, and the paint. Well, that's just I just wanted to give a little, a couple people were asking how this project was coming along. Someone built this. I might just leave it. It's in the closet, but there's no closet pole, so I'm going to put one in. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.